Are you tired of keyframes, animating things, and spend so much hours on effects that people don't notice? This preset pack, you have all these problems solved. This is my new pack of effects called Crafters by Hamo Studio, and it has like over 20 animations ready to use, just to drag and drop into your clips and you are ready to go. You can get it in the link down below in the description, and you have a special discount with the code SUBS. And now I'm gonna show you what this preset have inside. So let's jump into DaVinci Resolve.
So okay guys, once you bought the preset, you will go to the FX tab, okay? Go to Crafters by Hamo Studio, and there you have it. All these animations, cool animations, and Hamo Studio version, okay? I created all of these just for you guys, and it's really simple to use. For example, let's choose camera pool. This is just for intros, it's my recommendation. And there you have it. You have it nice zoom out and without E4 man. It's really easy. And then you have a cinematic blur. Okay, this will add like a blur cinematic to your clips, and of course you can change it. You can pull all the strength and all of that. For example, the constant zoom, it will add a constant zoom to your clips. That is pretty easy to use. You have the intro blur too. You can combine it with the camera pool. You have round corners, sorry. And let me show you how to apply this. For example, this, and you will have this cool edge rounding, okay? More of this, okay? You have animation for text. For example, let me choose a simple text plus. I always recommend text plus, okay? We go back, for example, to the Crafter Hamo Studio and slow down, and it will show you this slow down text animation. It's pretty cool. You can activate the motion blur to more sauce, slide up, of course, and slow slide up. It's pretty cool, pretty nice, pretty viral. Then you have this zoom in. You would make this pretty nice zoom in. So let me delete that. And it's pretty much with this part, okay? Then in cool animations, we have this pretty cool animation. For example, this backflip that makes this pretty nice animations. You can combine it at the background through blue, sorry, that makes like background. I will not apply in the black font in the white background because it will have no sense, man. But for example, it has like fade in, pretty easy to use. The flash and blur that make this nice effect. And then you have the laughing. You know, this is all for like PNGs, images, and everything. Looking around is pretty like the same. It just plays with the tilt and the band, the sway dance, that it's pretty nice. Then you have the up and down shake. It's more like for intros and that's all. And the zoom out black and white. You know, it's make it zoom out. For example, when you are putting a meme, for example, and a funny clip. Then we have the black stroke that made this black stroke right here, okay? This nice black stroke. And you can decrease or increase this border, okay? Next, we have this close in, that it's like zoom, pretty nice zoom. The close in rotation, that makes a close in, but with a rotation. We have, of course, drop shadow, and you can, of course, adjust it. So you have all these parameters to adjust. Fast slide left, that make this nice effect. Fast slide right, fast slide up, slide down fast, and you have the smooth slide down with a bounce. It's pretty nice. And this, of course, with the slide up. And that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you like all the effects, and of course you have the link down below in the description, a special discount code of subs. You have a 50% off discount in your order. So I hope you enjoy, and let's see you in the next video.